Welcome to Quick Takes with Wolfram Alpha. Let's look at how to balance a chemical equation. Give the name or chemical formula for each reactant and product in the reaction, with an arrow in between the last reactant and the first product. For example, type carbon dioxide and H2O as reactants, then type the arrow using the extended keyboard or a hyphen and the greater than sign, and finally type O2 and glucose as products. Now press Enter. Wolfram Alpha will compute the answer. The first thing that Wolfram Alpha generates is the interpretation of your query. Make sure that this is what you had in mind. Otherwise, more detail will be needed. With a Wolfram Alpha Pro subscription, the step-by-step solution is provided in addition to the answer. You can study steps one by one or all at once. Wolfram Alpha also generates other useful information, such as chemical names and their properties. If only reactants are provided, for example, sulfur and O2 produce, Wolfram Alpha generates some possible reactions containing those reagents. Check out the rest of our videos for more tips on how to get the most from Wolfram Alpha. Thanks for watching.